Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my Blunique Heated Mattress Pad. I was gifted this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it unboxed and set up and I'll show you how it turned out. At first glance, this heated mattress pad feels soft and comfortable with the air layer fabric. I also like that it has a nice design on it, not just the plain fabric on the surface of the mattress pad. Underneath the fabric layers, there are high-quality heating wires that have safe heating cords, as well as overheating protection and auto shut-off after 10 hours of use. The edges of the mattress pad have elastic around it like a fitted sheet, so it stays in place on the bed and doesn't move around once I have it all set up. To use it, first I need to plug it into the wall and then press the power button on the controller. There are 4 different heating settings with number 4 as the highest on there. This mattress pad comes with 2 different controllers, one for each side of the bed. So if one person prefers a different temperature on their side of the bed, it can be adjusted based on individual preferences. To test this out, I pulled out my thermal camera and checked the temperatures before plugging the mattress pad in. Then I plugged in one of the controllers only, and I was able to see that when it was plugged in, the temperature of the mattress pad is much warmer. You can see what it looks like after about 5 or so minutes of warming up at the highest setting. When it comes time to cleaning the mattress pad, I can simply unplug the controller and make sure that it is completely cooled off first, and then I can either hand wash or machine wash the mattress pad. Overall, I really like this mattress pad. It was very easy to set up and I was able to see noticeable difference in the temperature when I plug it in. This will work especially well for those who like to sleep with warmer temperatures. If you are looking for a comfortable heated mattress pad for a cozy night's sleep, either for yourself or to give as a gift, be sure to take a look at this.